Namaskaram. I am Rishita. I am going to narrate a story by Ruskin Bond. It is called The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. This story is about a parrot in the author's grandparents' house, belonging to his aunt, Aunt Ruby. The parrot was in an ornamental cage. Aunt Ruby would come to it every now and then and say, "You're no beauty, can't sing, can't talk, can't dance." The parrot had been bought by Aunt Ruby from a bird catcher who went from house to house and sold birds. When she bought the bird, Aunt Ruby tried to teach it to talk. Sometimes she would put her face near the bird's cage and say, "Kiss, kiss," and tried to kiss it. The parrot would go even further away from Aunt Ruby, angry at the prospect of being kissed by her. On one such occasion, when Aunt Ruby tried to kiss it, it darted forward and knocked Aunt Ruby's spectacles off her nose. And since then, Aunt Ruby kept making nasty comments about the poor bird. Kept saying, "You're no beauty," or "Can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." When the author was 10 years old, it occurred to him that he should feed the parrot. He began giving it green chilies, ripe tomatoes, and sometimes also mangoes, for it was mango season. One day, he deliberately left the cage door open, and the parrot, realizing this, flew away to freedom. Grandfather said, "Well, the cage door must have been loose." Aunt Ruby threatened to buy another bird, but the author's grandparents bought her a bowl of goldfish to put her off. Aunt Ruby said, "But goldfish don't talk." Grandfather said very sternly, "Neither did your parrot. If you aren't talking, we'll buy you a radio." The parrot escaped, and the author thought he would never see it again. But after some time, it came back, probably missing its green chilies and tomatoes. Aunt Ruby saw it and said, "Oh, my parrot has missed me so much that it came back." The parrot said, "You're no beauty, can't sing, can't talk, can't dance." So the parrot who wouldn't talk could talk after all. Thank you.